Do you find it challenging to attract guests with an appealing interior design? Transforming your hotel's interior can be a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With our expert hotel interior design services, we specialize in creating stunning spaces that not only enhance aesthetics but also elevate the guest experience. From elegant lobbies to cozy guest rooms, we bring your vision to life with innovative designs tailored to your brand. Our dedicated team understands the unique challenges of the hotel industry. We focus on blending functionality with style, ensuring that every corner of your hotel reflects warmth and sophistication while effectively maximizing space. With a keen eye for detail and a commitment to quality, we help you leave a lasting impression on your guests. Ready to transform your hotel into a captivating destination? Contact us today, and let's design an unforgettable experience that keeps guests coming back for more. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.